Oniel Thomas, coach of Dinthill Unbeaten.
Our coach finished the group top of the table, 10 out of 10. A perfect start to the zone so far. What are your expectations going forward from here?
Well, where the team is concerned right now, it's still growing, and we still are working progress same way. So I really don't make no prediction, but with I say, we keep on treading.
For this game today against McGrath, second in the table, what do you think about your team performance today? Are you satisfied with that performance?
Well, I'm satisfied because we take out some, because at this season we take out some of the players that we normally would have start. And I think they play up to par. If I were rate them, I would give them a 75%. You know, because there's some little mistake where we correct. And as I say, I think them not so bad.
All right, coach. So 30 points. Is this the most points ever completed in the Casa Cup zone?
Yeah, this is the most. This is 10th straight. Normally, when I was here before, we draw. I think we lose at one game. You understand? And then, maximum point is, which is great. The competition, I'm going to say it's stiff, but it was a rivalry in this zone. So I will stick to the task. So important that we get the 30 points.
All right, coach, and see you guys for the next round, all right?
Yeah, man, bless.